Thinking of closing your company, but want to do it the right way with minimal stress and maximum financial control? Then you need to understand Members Voluntary Liquidation, or MVL. MVL is a powerful, tax-efficient process for closing a solvent company. It's not the same as a forced liquidation or bankruptcy. MVL is a strategic exit used by business owners who want to wind down operations cleanly, distribute assets legally, and potentially save thousands on taxes. Here's how it works. Members Voluntary Liquidation is only available to solvent companies, meaning you can pay your debts in full within 12 months. If that applies to you, an MVL lets you distribute any remaining assets to shareholders through a licensed insolvency practitioner. And because it's treated as a capital distribution, you may qualify for business asset disposal relief, formerly entrepreneur's relief, which could reduce your capital gains tax rate to just 10%. But this process isn't just about tax savings. It's about protecting your legacy. An MVL is structured, compliant, and recognized by HMRC. That means fewer surprises, less legal risk, and faster closure than trying to dissolve the company yourself. So how do you start? First, your directors must sign a declaration of solvency. Then you appoint a liquidator, usually an insolvency expert, who will sell off any assets, settle debts, and distribute what's left to shareholders. The process usually takes a few months and results in the company being officially removed from the register. Here's the key. Don't wait until you're struggling. The earlier you plan an MVL, the more control you have over how much value you can extract from the business. And the smoother it will be for shareholders, employees, and anyone else involved. If you're a business owner thinking about retiring, restructuring, or stepping away after a successful exit, MVL could be your smartest final business move. Want to learn more about legal exit strategies and saving money on taxes when winding down a company? Then make sure to like this video, leave a comment with your questions, and subscribe for more expert financial and business insights.